Hi, Sagittarius, Sun and Rising. So I am keeping things short and sweet this month with a one-card pull. And your tarot card theme for July is the Eight of Pentacles. So, okay, Sagittarius, this month it's all about hard work, paying off, and leveling up your expertise. Now, the Eight of Pentacles shows that you are in a phase where your dedication and effort are bringing tangible results. So whether you're honing your skills and talents at work, learning something new, or refining a personal project or hobby, this is your time to shine by staying focused on the task at hand. So in your professional life or career, the Eight of Pentacles suggests that your hard work and attention to detail are really starting to make a difference. As you gain more experience, education, or training, you are on the path to becoming a true expert in your field. So don't hesitate to showcase your talents this month and take pride in the progress that you're making. Others of you may need a reminder to keep going. Your persistence, dedication, and attention to detail are about to pay off, as well as you are slowly but surely building a very profitable and successful future for yourself. And as well, don't hesitate to seek feedback or guidance from mentors or colleagues who can help you elevate your work or skill to the next level. Now, I love this card for you, Sagittarius, as it indicates your commitment to excellence is setting you apart. So on a personal level, the Eight of Pentacles encourages you to invest in yourself this month. Now, in general, my fiery Sagittarius, Sun and Rising people tend to gravitate towards activities that engage their sense of adventure and encourage them to learn new things. And this card indicates that although you may be participating in a hobby, and I'm putting that in quotes, this is a skill that requires dedication and persistence. So for many of you, I'm picking up that this is something involving your hands, such as a cooking class, maybe a metaphysical skill such as tarot, Reiki, energy work, or maybe you're learning to use a pendulum. You could be playing an instrument, doing woodworking, art, or something like that. And for others of you, you may be starting or engaged in a sport which requires a sensitivity of the hands or a very specific skill set. So whatever this is for you, I have a feeling that you are an inspiration to those around you, even if they don't show it. So have fun and enjoy the progress that you're making. Now, in relationships, the Eight of Pentacles reminds you to invest time and effort into nurturing your connections. So whether this is friends, family, or a romantic partner, in July, show them that you care through your actions and presence. Small gestures of kindness and support. This could even be a small gift, or maybe you run an errand for them or something like that, can strengthen the bonds between everybody and bring a lot of joy to both parties without a whole lot of cost. I guess I'll put it that way. So remember, my Sagittarius, Sun and Rising people, love and relationships require effort and dedication, much like mastering any skill or craft, right? This is what we see in this card. So those little daily things and small gestures that you do for those that you care about, it could even be sending somebody a text, add up over time, because it helps you solidify your connections and show the people around you that you truly care about them. Okay, Sagittarius, so to wrap this up, overall this month is where your commitment to excellence and your presence and your focus adds to your continuous improvement, and as such it opens doors to new opportunities and deeper connections and just a lot of fulfillment. I'm just getting some really good vibes for you here. So keep up the great work, my Sagittarius Sun and Rising people, and you will see very shortly how your efforts are shaping a bright future ahead. Okay, you guys, I hope you found these messages helpful. And if you did, please like this video and consider subscribing. I love you, Sagittarius, and I know you are going to do great for the month of July.